Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you doing? Hope so you are all doing well. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learn English with Linguist. If you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos and comment for your. First of all, we are going to talk about parts of speech and noun and its types because parts of speech play a keen role in learning a language. Parts of speech are basics to learn a language. That's why I chose parts of speech first for you guys. Let's discuss. Let's begin. First of all, we are going to talk about parts of speech. That what are parts of speech and what are their functions and how they are used. Parts of speech are primary categories of words used according to their functions. So it's the definition of parts of speech that parts of speech are primary, mean basic categories of words which are used according to their functions. Parts of speech has basic role in learning language, and each and every word in our communication, in our sentences, performs a different function. We will also look up by examples after completing the series of parts of speech lectures. But first, we have to talk about parts of speech. So, parts of speech are primary categories of words used according to their functions. So, we can say that it is the categories of words which are used differently when they perform different functions. So, second point is speech is incomplete without parts of speech. Yes, you can see that speech of any person, if he does not know what is noun, what is verb, what is adjective, what is adverb, or he does not know about parts of speech and how will he use the language correctly and efficiently. No, and his communication will be incomplete. That is why this is the point, speech is incomplete without parts of speech. Third point is parts of speech make the speech meaningful. It means that parts of speech give meaning to our communication, to our talks, whatever we talk with anyone. So let's see what are parts of speech and how many they are. There are 8 parts of speech which are mentioned below. First one is noun, second one is verb, third one is pronoun, fourth one is adjective, fifth one is adverb, sixth one is conjunction, seventh one is interjection, and eighth one is preposition. We will discuss all the parts of speech one by one in separate videos. So we are going to talk about what is noun and some of its types. First of all, definition of noun. The easiest definition of noun is the name of person, place or thing is called noun. You see around you there are so many things you see. To eat, to wear, to observe. There are so many things, and each and everything has a specific name. We name them according to their appearance or according to their function. That is why all those things are noun. As we can see through the definition, which is the name of person, place or thing is called noun. So everything, every person, every place, every idea, whatever it will be a noun. For example, Ali, Lahore, book, etc. Ali is the name of person, Lahore is the name of place, and book is the name of thing. Now, let's discuss types of noun. There are many types of noun. Some of them are given below, which are common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Let's discuss all the types one by one, and let's go through these types. First one type is common noun. The name of common person, place, or thing is called common noun. For example, boy, book, city. Yes, it means that if we take all the things or persons, places, or things generally to refer all with one word, we will use the words and they are called as common noun. For example, there are so many boys in the world, but we represent them generally by saying boy. There are so many books which were written in the past and which are going to be written in future, but we generally represent them by saying book. There are so many cities in the world. Every country has so many cities, but we represent all the cities generally by saying city. So, common noun, it means that generally representation of any person, place, or thing. And second one type of noun is proper noun. The name of particular person, place, or thing is called proper noun. Yes, if we take things specifically, specially, or we specify things, or we talk about some specific things, then we will call it as proper noun. For example, in common noun, we saw that there is boy. This word represents all the persons, all the boys of the world. Book, this word represents all the books, and city represents all the cities in the world. But in proper noun, there is Ali, which is a proper noun, specific name of some person. The Holy Quran, it is the name of a special book. Sargoda, it is a name of specific city. So it is proper noun which talks about specifical, which talks about specific persons, place, or thing. Third one type of noun is material noun. The name of substances or things which are used to make something are called material noun. For example, gold, milk, flour. Yes, you can see that there are many substances which we use to make different things like gold, milk, flour. Gold is used to make jewelry. Milk is used to make, for example, sweets. And you can say that milkshake or something else. Cookies, biscuits, and flour is used to make bread. That is why material noun are the substances which are used to make something. Fourth one type of noun is abstract noun. The name of any idea, thinking, or feeling is called as abstract noun. For example, happiness, sadness, truth, etc. Yes, these ideas, thinkings, and feelings don't have any physical appearances. They also live in our mind and we just feel them, we just think them, whatever they are. So, the name of any idea, any thinking or feeling which don't have any physical appearance are called abstract noun. For example, happiness, sadness, truth, anger, love, hate, loyalty. These are examples of abstract noun. Now, fifth type of noun is concrete noun. The name of things or place which have physical appearance and can be experienced with five senses are called concrete noun. Yes, physical or touchable things which can be experienced by five senses. For example, all the things which we can observe with our five senses, which are eye, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. So, all the things which can be experienced by these senses will be called as concrete noun. For example, boy, school, sugar, voice, taste. We can see and touch the boy. We can see and touch the school also. We can taste the sugar and touch also. We can hear the voice and we can taste anything. So, these are the things which can be experienced with five senses. Sixth one type of noun is collective noun. Collective nouns are those which represent a group of things, persons, or place. Yes, see, if we talk about some groups and a word which represent a specific group will be called as collective noun. Okay? For example, army. What is army? It is a group of soldiers. What is flock? A group of birds. What is cattle? A group of cows. What is class? A group of students. What is country? A group of cities. What is world? A group of countries. Or a group of continents. We can say that. So, these all are collective nouns and we represent them with just using one word for one group. And seventh type of noun is countable noun. The name of those things which can be counted. Yes, you see a lot of things around you which you can count easily without any extra effort, or you don't need any special tools to count them, or you don't have any difficulty to count them, and these things are called as countable nouns. For example, men, fans, apples, etc. You can also see other things like cupboard, sun. Sun is countable noun because it is one, we can count it. Moon, trees. Trees are not uncountable, we can count them. So these are all countable nouns. Our clothes, shoes, eyes, and everything. Uncountable noun, which is last one type of noun, which is uncountable noun, the name of those things which cannot be counted. For example, stars, hairs, and particles, etc. So there are also those things which we cannot count. Okay, just like stars, we cannot count all the stars. There are so many stars, billion, or we can say that trillions of stars in the universe. Sand particles, atoms. If you have studied chemistry, you know what atom is. So we cannot count an atom as well. So these are types of noun. Hopefully you will understand this lecture very much, and I will back with more videos, more lectures for parts of speech, and we will have an eye to also specify These are parts of speech by examples. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe it, like my video and share it with your friends if you like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.